Good morning to all of you, my dear friends. You are watching this video, so thank you watching my video. This is the place of Puri Bibi, the grave of Puri Bibi, the daughter of Shasta Khan. He was Nawab of Bangla. Ah, so attractive place, and it is historical place of Bangladesh. If you want to see grave of Puri Bibi, you have to come Dhaka Lalbagh. Morning time you can enter this place only 5 taka. So total place is very beautiful and attractive. My dear friend, you are watching, and thank you for watching my another video.